Imagine a world where the horizon is an endless sea of red dust, where the atmosphere is thin and the silence is deafeningly cold and harsh. On the surface of Mars, survival is not just a challenge. It is a constant battle against the most extreme environment humans have ever dared to face. Building a city here requires millions of tons of concrete. But transporting every single brick from Earth is a logistical nightmare and a multi-billion-dollar impossibility. Every kilogram launched into orbit costs a fortune, making traditional construction methods completely useless for the ambitious dream of creating a permanent home on Mars. The solution is not to bring the house with us, but to send a vanguard of intelligent machines to build it before we even arrive there. These autonomous pioneers are designed to transform the very dust of Mars into a sanctuary, turning a hostile wasteland into a habitable and secure environment. Welcome to the future of space exploration, where a tireless robot army is currently setting the stage for the greatest migration in all of human history. NASA's Project Olympus is leading the charge, partnering with technology giants to turn science fiction into a concrete reality for future generations of space explorers. At the heart of this revolution is 3D printing technology, utilizing the abundant Martian soil, known as Regolith, as the primary material for constructing massive structures. By mixing local dust with specialized polymers, these robots create a durable ink that can be layered to build walls that are stronger than traditional concrete. This process eliminates the need for Earth-made supplies, allowing us to build massive protective domes and living quarters using nothing but the resources found on Mars. The architectural designs are optimized for the Martian environment, featuring curved surfaces that can withstand extreme pressure changes and the planet's incredibly harsh weather conditions. Another groundbreaking method involves microwave sintering, where high-energy beams melt the dust into a solid, glass-like rock that is virtually impenetrable to the elements. This technique creates a seamless and airtight structure, providing a vital shield against the deadly vacuum and the freezing temperatures of the outer Martian atmosphere. Radiation is the silent killer in space, but these thick regolith walls provide the necessary density to keep the future inhabitants safe from harmful cosmic rays. Inside these 3D printed fortresses, humans will find a safe haven where they can breathe, sleep, and work without the constant fear of the environment outside. Every inch of the construction is monitored by sensors, ensuring that the structural integrity meets the highest safety standards required for long-term human habitation. A fleet of these machines can work 24 hours a day, never tiring, slowly but surely turning a barren crater into a thriving industrial construction zone. The level of precision achieved by these autonomous systems is far beyond what human hands could manage while wearing bulky and restrictive pressurized spacesuits. From a single landing pod to a sprawling network of habitats, the modular nature of this construction allows for infinite expansion as the colony grows larger. There is a rugged beauty in these structures, built from the very bones of the planet they stand on, marking the beginning of Martian indigenous architecture. This is the first true Martian city, a testament to human ingenuity and the power of autonomous technology to conquer the most unreachable frontiers of space. But construction is only half the battle. Coordination is the other. Meet the Swarm, a collective of hundreds of small robots working as a single mind. Inspired by the social structures of ants and bees, these robots use swarm intelligence to divide complex tasks into thousands of manageable and simple actions. If one robot fails, the others simply adapt and continue the mission, making the swarm incredibly resilient to the mechanical breakdowns common in harsh environments. They are the excavators and the electricians of Mars, preparing the underground infrastructure that will carry water, power, and data to every corner of the city. Earth is 225 million kilometers away. At this distance, real-time remote control is impossible due to the massive delay in signal transmission. With a 20-minute communication lag, these robots cannot wait for instructions from Earth. They must have the ability to think and act for themselves immediately. This is where advanced artificial intelligence comes in. Each robot is equipped with a sophisticated onboard brain capable of complex problem-solving and environmental navigation. They can identify obstacles, assess risks, and modify their construction plans in real time, ensuring the project stays on schedule even when the unexpected occurs on Mars. The AI Central Command optimizes every movement, reducing energy waste and maximizing the speed of construction across the entire sprawling Martian colony site. This level of autonomous cooperation turns the Martian surface into a giant, living factory, working tirelessly while the rest of the solar system sleeps in peace. These machines are more than just tools. They are the eyes and ears of humanity, exploring and preparing the ground for our inevitable and grand arrival. Even in the dark of the Martian night, the work never stops. The AI-driven fleet continues its mission, building a future brick by autonomous brick. Through the power of AI and swarm robotics, we are creating a self-building world, paving the way for the first humans to find a home ready-made. But Mars has a dark side. Global dust storms can last for months, completely blocking out the sun and rendering solar panels useless for energy generation. Without power, the robots stop, the heaters fail, and the dream of a Martian city could easily freeze to death in the shadows of the storm. Solar energy alone is too fragile for a permanent colony. To survive the long Martian night and the inevitable storms, we need a far more reliable heart. Introducing the next generation of nuclear power. Compact, safe, and incredibly powerful, these micro-reactors are designed to provide constant energy regardless of the weather outside. Companies like Rolls-Royce are developing nuclear solutions that can be easily transported and deployed by robots, providing a steady heartbeat for the entire Martian colony. These reactors use a simple and robust design, converting heat from nuclear fission into electricity with very few moving parts to minimize any risk of failure. By burying the reactors deep underground, the robots provide an extra layer of safety, protecting the colony from both the reactor and the harsh Martian surface. The excess heat is not wasted. It is used to warm the habitats and maintain the industrial processes needed to keep the city's machines running smoothly. This stable power grid is the lifeblood of the city, ensuring that life support systems, 3D printers, and oxygen generators never skip a single beat during storms. While the world outside is trapped in a freezing dark chaos, the nuclear-powered heart of the city remains warm, bright, and full of life-sustaining energy. A single micro-reactor can provide power for decades without needing refueling, making it the perfect long-term energy solution for a world so far from home. As more reactors are deployed, the colony's power capacity grows, allowing for more ambitious construction and the eventual support of a much larger human population. With constant power, the 3D printers can operate at maximum speed, accelerating the growth of the city before the first starship even leaves the Earth's orbit. Nuclear energy also powers the hydroponic farms, ensuring that the first pioneers will have a steady supply of fresh food and oxygen upon their arrival. Redundancy is key in space. If one reactor goes offline for maintenance, others automatically pick up the load to keep the city's vital systems running. It is a masterclass in engineering. A silent and powerful engine that makes the impossible possible on a world that wants to freeze everything in its path. The heart of Mars City is nuclear, providing the unwavering strength and stability needed to turn a temporary outpost into a permanent and thriving new home. This technological synergy between AI, robotics, and nuclear power is the foundation upon which the future of our species on other planets will be built. Energy security is the final piece of the puzzle, ensuring that when humans finally arrive, the lights will be on and the city will be warm. This is no longer a solo mission. The race to Mars has become a global alliance, bringing together the greatest minds and corporations from every single continent. Toyota is adapting its legendary engineering to the Martian surface, developing the lunar cruiser, a pressurized rover that will serve as a mobile home for explorers. These rovers are being tested right now, designed to allow astronauts to live and work for weeks at a time, while traveling across the vast Martian plains. The European Space Agency is contributing vital modular components, ensuring that different systems from various countries can all dock and work together perfectly in harmony. This international standardization is crucial, allowing for a flexible and expandable city that can grow as more nations and companies join the Martian colony. In 2024 and 2025, these technologies are being put to the ultimate test in the most Mars-like environments on Earth. From Utah to the Atacama Desert, every successful test brings us one step closer to reality, proving that our robot construction crews are ready for the long journey and the hard work. SpaceX is the transport backbone of this alliance, with the Starship program rapidly progressing toward the heavy lift capacity needed to send our robotic fleet to Mars. The timeline is aggressive, with uncrewed missions planned to depart in the coming years to begin the monumental task of building our first interplanetary outpost. These simulations are the dress rehearsals for the main event, ironing out every possible bug before we commit our resources to a planet millions of miles away. We are standing on the shoulders of giants, combining the spirit of the Apollo era with the cutting-edge technology of the 21st century's digital revolution. This is not about one nation or one company. It is about the collective survival and the expansion of the human race into the vast cosmos above. The coordination required is unprecedented, but the goal is worth the effort, a permanent presence on a second world to ensure our future among stars. The robots are the vanguard, the silent workers who are currently turning the red planet into a beacon of hope for every person back on Earth. With every passing day, the gap between dream and reality narrows, as the Mars City Alliance moves forward with unstoppable force and incredible scientific precision. The moment of truth arrives. After months of travel, the first human crew descends through the thin air toward the city that has been waiting for them. They land not on a barren wasteland, but on a prepared foundation, greeted by the structures and systems that have been standing ready for their arrival. As the airlock opens, the silence of Mars is broken by the sound of human breath, marking the beginning of a new era for our entire species. When the first footstep touches the red soil, it will be a moment of triumph made possible by the years of hard work from our robot pioneers. They walk toward a home that was built by hands that do not feel cold, by minds that do not tire, and by a vision that knows no limits. Mars City is no longer a dream. It is a reality. Join us as we continue to explore the future. Subscribe and witness history in the making today.